Hello everyone. Welcome to an episode of Intern Chronicles, Building Futures at Software Lab. In this series, we dive into the exciting journey of our talented interns and we check how their journey here at Software Lab is shaping their future. So today, we are joined by Himansa, who has been an intern with us for a few months. So we are going to talk about her background, her experiences here at Software Lab, and how she thinks her experiences here is going to shape her future. So Himansa, thank you for being with us.
Yes, thank you for giving me an opportunity to share my experience as being an intern in Software Lab.
Right. Happy to have you here again. So Himansa, you're a graduate now. Congratulations on that, first of all. So we would like to know a bit of your background, your university, what you studied. Yeah.
Yes, I am a student of Software Engineering BNG Hons from the Asia Pacific Institute of Technology. My program has provided me with a foundation in software development with areas like project management in software development, fundamentals of programming principles, and just providing me a solid foundation to get into the industry.
Right, that's great. That's fantastic to hear. So Himansa, moving on, why choose Software Lab specifically for your internship after your higher education back at university?
Yes, I am very passionate about building a career in backend development. So as I was searching for opportunities on LinkedIn, I came across a post by Software Lab. They were hiring interns for full stack development. And when I researched about the company, I was impressed that they had a global presence. They have development teams across several countries like Australia, UK, US, and Finland. So I was excited to work with teams across different countries and serve international clientele. And additionally, they had highlighted a few of their projects on their website, and their projects had aligned very much with my interests. And it further fueled my desire to become a part of them and work and contribute for their innovative projects. Furthermore, I was very excited to work with technical leads in the field. Yes, that's exactly why I chose Software Lab.
That's fantastic to hear. I believe your expectations have been exceeded in this task when you were searching for an internship. So moving forward, what are some of the projects that you have been working on and how have your experiences been here so far at Software Lab? We would like to know about that.
Yes. So as an intern in backend development, I have had the opportunity to work on several software development projects under the mentorship of senior developers and tech leads. So I have been able to be a part of the design process for several of our projects, and we all come together and create a design, and each for our systems, and each design decision is evaluated thoroughly to ensure that we meet performance standards. Also, I have received continuous feedback from my mentors, and this is done through code reviews. And so they highlight programming conventions basically, and all the good practices that we should use with the technologies that we use in our projects. So through these projects, I have been able to come across a variety of technologies and help myself understand and be exposed to new backend development frameworks, cloud platforms, and authentication services. And it has been a very valuable experience for me to be able to immerse myself in a real life setting, of in this field, and I am greatly thankful. Yes.
So with the way Himansa shares her knowledge, we can see that she has gained a lot of experience and she's a very talented person with a lot of knowledge. So moving forward, Himansa, again, how has the experience been working with your technical leads? How has that been? What have you learned? How did that go?
The senior developers and technical leads have played a pivotal role in helping me master certain complexities in backend development. So that would go for database management, cloud platforms, and asynchronous programming. So they have been able to make me feel less overwhelmed because of the amount of content that is associated with learning new frameworks. It can be a bit overwhelming. So my tech leads and the training sessions that we have been able to reduce those complexities and help me master helped me master these new development frameworks in a very short amount of time, and it's accelerated my learning curve. And they put a huge emphasis on good coding conventions, and coding conventions can differ based on different frameworks. So this experience was very valuable to me because I get to learn how to deal with these new frameworks, especially so since I did not have as much experience with these technologies like I do now. And yes, they have been very valuable. Their information and knowledge has been very valuable to me along the way. Yes.
That's great to hear. It seems like you've extracted a lot, learned a lot from your leads. So, another thing I wanted to ask is, Himansa, how has your practical experience differed when it comes to working here at Software Lab as an intern compared to back during your college days? How does that change according to you?
The practical experience I gained from Software Lab has significantly complemented what I've learned from university. So here at Software Lab, it provides me a dynamic and challenging environment. And so this way I am able to refine my skills and better enhance them. So I am very grateful to being exposed to such an environment.
Right. So it seems like you're having a well-rounded experience here at Software Lab. So Himansa, next I would like to ask, as an intern here, what sort of challenges do you face and how do you overcome these certain challenges that you face as an intern?
Yes. So at my time here at Software Lab, I was introduced to new technologies and new backend frameworks. So I had to master how to navigate through these frameworks. And what I did was that I actively sought out advice from my tech leads and senior developers. They were very quick. They were very quick to respond to me. They were very quick to identify any challenges I faced, and based on that, I was able to master something that was almost completely new to me. And when you're learning a new framework, it can be very overwhelming because there's so much of content online. And so my mentors, they were able to break down those complexities and properly construct a method to approach learning these frameworks. And yes, these are the ways I overcame these challenges, by seeking out advice, trying to pick the brains of my mentors, basically. And yes, that is how I overcame those challenges.
So yeah, challenges definitely lead to growth, I believe. And Himansa seems to be showing a lot of courage and ambition in what she does. So Himansa, next, I would like to ask your internship here, your experience here. How do you think it's shaping you up for your future career?
Yes, I think my experience here as an intern at Software Lab is very valuable in shaping my career in the future, because it's providing me with a foundation. It's providing me with a foundation and a dynamic environment that is required for a career in software development. And it has given me so many challenges, so many overwhelming challenges, but now after overcoming it, it's giving me confidence. It's giving me confidence to go ahead with my career choice. And yes, I am extremely grateful for having this opportunity to be an intern at Software Lab.
It's very pleasing to hear that you're confident about your future when it comes to your career. So Himansa, then moving forward, now you're working as an intern for a 1-year internship, I assume? Yeah.
Yes.
So what are your thoughts on continuing with Software Lab even after the 1-year internship is over?
Yes. If I am provided a permanent position at the company, I would gladly take it, because I already have so much of fun working at Software Lab. Building new applications, seeing an ever-changing environment. It's also new, it's also challenging. I really like it. So I think it really aligns with my interests. So I would continue working at Software Lab if I am given the chance, yes.
Right, that's wonderful to hear. So it seems like a talented individual, Himansa, is going to be with Software Lab even after her internship. So Himansa, moving on, as we wrap up, we're actually coming towards the end of our discussion. So, what sort of advice, message would you like to give to someone who's considering an internship at Vicesoft Lab in future?
Yes, I highly recommend Vicesoft Lab for fresh graduates to have their internship at, because it provides you an opportunity to work very closely with senior developers and tech leads as your mentors, and they can provide you with the information they've gathered throughout the years, and would immensely help you in your career, in whatever career you want to pursue in the future. Right now, I am having a wonderful time at Vicesoft Lab, and I hope that you would also get to experience it like I did.
Thank you so much, Himansa, for sharing your experiences in this journey so far with Vicesoft Lab. It's been really inspiring to hear it, and you seem to be a very ambitious, courageous, talented individual. So, I personally wish you all the best in your journey ahead. And I also believe all the thoughts you shared, all the knowledge you shared will inspire younger people to come and join as interns to the part of Vicesoft Lab team. So thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you. It's been a wonderful journey at Vicesoft Lab. Thank you.
And there you have it, Himansa's inspiring journey here with us at Vicesoft Lab. If you're someone looking for an internship that offers real-world experience, expert mentorship, and a supportive environment, we encourage you to have a look at the opportunities available at Vicesoft Lab. Thank you for watching us, and we welcome new talented individuals to our team. Thank you.